Hi guys, it's been a very long duration after which I am actually creating a video. So this is my gypsy. Last time you would have seen a gypsy in a different avatar. So I have not touched this gypsy for the last 9 months. I was actually away and I have not really used this gypsy for a very long time. So now after I came back from home, this has actually called in for some painting work. So I have removed the bumpers because the color has faded of the bumper. So I've taken it out to give it for powder coating. So I've taken the bumpers out. I've taken the rock sliders out. It's all gone in for powder coating. If you see the back bumpers, all that has been come out. I've actually made a number plate which will also be put up here, and also this part is a little rusty. I will change that. I've taken this tire holder also out and given it for powder coating. Now if you look at the tires, I'm also actually, see, if you look at this, you can see there's rust and all that because of non-usage, and the steel rims are also not looking great because of non-usage. If you see, there are rust that has come up, so I will have to actually scrape it off and powder coat it to a different color. So stay tuned to know which color I'm going to change it to. And I've actually purchased a Monroe suspension that will actually replace the stock suspension. If you can see this, I've increased the height of the gypsy by 2 inches, so that will all so the effect of that is not really good with the current setup. So I've actually brought in a Xylo and Innova combo. Most of the people would be wondering what effect can these bring about. I've actually evaluated a lot of these shockers because if you look at the internet, there are a lot of stuff that is available which says the Profender is good, Ironman is good, Oldman Emo is good. So those are expensive ones, so I wanted to just try out my luck with a cheaper suspension, and the suspension is also going to get changed for now. Let's see how the suspension acts out on this gypsy, and I'll keep you posted. So stay tuned just in case if you want to know about what color the rims are going to take and how the overall look and feel of the gypsy is going to be. And also I'm going to change the batteries. Currently it's a 32 amp battery that comes stock with the gypsy. I'm putting up a new battery as well. So I'm upgrading the alternator to a Baleno's. I've ordered the Baleno alternator that has to come, and that's about it. You can see I see a slight leakage of the power steering, but that is negligible. That's nothing to do. That's nothing major to be done. I'll actually take that off. So stay tuned, guys. We'll keep you posted. Powder coating will be completed in the next 2-3 days. I'll bring out another video after that is being done, and also I'll also try and get you the pictures of fixing the battery and alternator and all that. I'll see if I can just get that done. If the timing of the mechanic and mine matches, then I'll definitely get that done for you as well. So stay tuned, guys. That's it for now. Thank you and have a great day.